Welcome to the Modern Android Development Guide, Native and AI Workflows. This video will show you how to build Android apps with Google AI, taking your idea to a working app with no coding required. This new development method is called vibe coding. You write plain English, the AI writes the code, and you get a working app. Google provides two paths for app development. Path 1 is Google AI Studio for fast web prototypes. Path 2 is Android Studio for native mobile apps. Path 1 is Google AI Studio, where you can build apps in your web browser. You can start creating without traditional code. Step 1 is to write a prompt. Detail your desired features and goals, and the AI agent will use this to build the architecture for your app. Step 2 is to use annotation mode. You can highlight parts of the screen and chat with the AI to fix bugs or make design adjustments, like making a button blue. Step 3 is to export your app. You can save your code to GitHub and convert the web app from the web sandbox to an android.apk file. Path 2 is Android Studio, the standard software for professional apps. It uses Kotlin and Jetpack Compose for native development. Step 1 in Android Studio is to start a new project. Click Create with AI, and the AI agent will write the initial starting code. Step 2 is to learn the split view. This feature allows you to see your project files, your code, and a live design preview simultaneously. Step 3 is to build screens with Jetpack Compose. You can stack visual blocks together and use columns, rows, and buttons to create your app's interface. Step 4 is to run the emulator. This creates a virtual phone on your computer. Click Run to test your app in a simulated environment. So which path is right for you? Google AI Studio is web-based, best for fast ideas, and requires zero coding experience. Android Studio is desktop software, best for professional apps, and for those learning to code. This is the new reality of app building. Your ideas matter more than syntax. The AI translates your human vision into a working app. Start building today. Open aistudio.google.com and type your first prompt to begin your app development journey.